Hey guys, it's Emily Creative Gem, and today we're going to IKEA. I'm going to show you my top 5 IKEA finds and how I decorate with these precious gems. If you want to become a creative gem like me, hit the subscribe button to learn how. Before I jump into the finds, I want to show you a hidden gem. Tucked away in the far corner of the warehouse is the as-is section. Now, so many people bypass this area because they don't know what it is, but guess what? I'm going to put you on a little secret. The as-is section is a great place to find discounted IKEA products that were returned or used in the showroom. So if the store is remodeling, for example, and a room set was cleared, guess where all those items are gonna be put? In the as-is section. And trust me, there are so many deals you can get down there. Because a lot of the times the items are brand spanking new, they just might not have the original packaging. However, this item has its original packaging and it could be in the as-is section because it's discontinued. So if they're trying to get rid of a product, they're gonna do that price slash. But if you want me to go into more depth of the as-is section and kind of tell you what it is, I can. But one of my favorite items to get in the as-is section is this grass. I love putting it in baskets and then using it to decorate my bedroom. The as-is section also has a lot of textiles. So I got this duvet cover and the duvet, and it looks so beautiful in my room. Here's a picture frame I got. I did my own DIY by putting flip-flops inside with some she cells, and voila, I have a beautiful piece of art. Alright guys, so those were a few things that I got from the as-is section. If you want me to do a full video, I can. But now it's time to move on to my top 5 IKEA finds. Number 1 is this grass potted plant for $5.99. Now, when you go to IKEA, you're going to see this artificial plant everywhere, along with his brother and sisters throughout the showroom and marketplace. IKEA came up with so many different ways to use these artificial plants. You can put them on the wall, you can put them in your kitchen, in your living room, dining room. You can literally put these anywhere. But my favorite is the grass, which I get from the as-is section, as I mentioned earlier. Is usually around $3 or $4, and I love to put these in baskets from Five Below and put them on top of my hutch. I'm able to reuse this grass over and over. It's useful for indoors, it's useful for outdoors, and I can also use it for other purposes, like this display area. This gem may be small, but it has a huge impact. Number 2 are these changeable cushion covers. They come in 3 different sizes, which is a 26 by 26 or the big Euro pillow, 20 by 20, a basic throw pillow, and lastly a 16 by 26, which is like a smaller version of the two. They come in assorted colors, textures, so you can always get a new one every time you visit. My favorite ones are the fox fur or fake fur pillowcases. They're much more expensive at Party Barn, mind you, but they usually are cheaper here, and they also usually have matching throws as well. The most popular cushion cover is this one. This one is called Scold. I believe it is a sheepskin cushion cover. It comes in this kind of off-white or beige cream color, and it also comes in a gray color. And also there's one that's a little cheaper. This is a fox fur in a white color. And FYI, IKEA also sells the inserts for the cushion covers in feather and cotton, and that's what those VivaCut inserts were that you saw previously. If you want me to do a video about different ways I stylize my bed with all 3 sizes, let me know in the comments below. I also love the limited edition cushion covers as well. Now, they arrive with special collections that IKEA features for only a few weeks, so you literally have to get them before they're gone. So this one is the summer 2018 cushion cover. The striped color theme was actually very popular trend during that time, and this one It's from the Stud Stick 2016 collection, the Constellation Giraffe, and matches perfectly with my Constellation bedspread from Walmart. So as you can see, these gemstones are quite the precious gems. They do a bit of R&R. You can refresh your space, but also recycle these cushion covers time and time again. But now it's time to move on to another popular textile at IKEA, which is number 3 of my IKEA finds, and that's the duvets. The duvets come in 4 different temperatures: cool, light warm, warm, and extra warm. Picking the right duvet can be challenging since everything's, well, in Swedish, but IKEA simplified it with pictures of the temperatures, whether it's feather or cotton, and also what size you need. The symbols will help you pick out which comforter you need based on your personal liking, but also what season you're in. So for example, I like light warm for the winter because I tend to sweat and I run the heat at home. I also prefer cotton over feather. Even though feather makes the duvet nice and floofy, I don't like the feathers poking me at night. Once you get a duvet, of course you got to get a duvet cover. I have a couple of them, as you can see here, one for summer and then also one for winter. Duvet covers are very similar to cushion covers. R&R. You can reuse, recycle them, and also refresh your bedroom every season. Which is why duvets and duvet covers is number 3 on my list. Coming in at number 4 is my all-time favorite, which is the DIMPA bag, and this can be found in the home organization section. This storage bag is a little over 2 feet by 2 feet, and guess what, guys? It's only $5.99, and here's why you should get this $5.99 storage bag. I use the storage bag for storing my decor, and all I have to do is pack everything into this bag and store them in the attic. It's a great way to keep everything together, keep it well organized, and when it's time to use the decor again, I can easily spot the bag in the attic. Now, here's several more reasons why you should get the DIMPA bag. You can build your own bed in a bag. It is perfect for storing decor and small rugs. Great for laundry day, storing your clothes. It has handles, which is easy for carrying and moving. And it can store your comforters and pillows inside and keep them even under your bed. I could go on and on and on and on about this bag, but here's the point. It's durable, it's clear, and you can reuse it. The last IKEA find on my list is number 5, and this is the ENEBY Bluetooth speaker, which you can find in the lighting department. This Bluetooth speaker comes in 3 different sizes: 12 by 12, 8 by 8, and 6 by 3, which is a small portable Bluetooth speaker. But the size I got was the 8 by 8. It's $69, and guys, this speaker is amazing. It has clear, crisp, powerful sound. The bass is booming. And guess what, guys? This Bluetooth speaker is portable. I can take it to the park, I can take it to parties, and it is literally the best speaker I've ever owned. And because it's Bluetooth, I actually use it as a sound bar and connect it to my Samsung TV. Let me know in the comments below. Do not sleep on this IKEA find, guys, because this one is definitely worth having. Alright, and gems, those are my top 5 IKEA finds. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy seeing content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification on the bottom to be notified when more content like this comes out. Alright, see you next time. Bye.